that sixth person from a Sydney nursing home who died from coronavirus overnight was a 90-year-old man. He was a resident at the Dorothy Henderson Lodge aged care home at Macquarie Park. Danica DiGiorgio is at the COVID-19 Command Centre. Danica, he is the 19th victim in New South Wales.
And Laura, it takes the national death toll to 41. The 90-year-old was a resident at the Dorothy Henderson Lodge and is now the sixth person to die from that facility. So far, a total of 21 staff and residents there at the Dorothy Henderson Lodge have tested positive to COVID-19. The CEO of Baptist Care has released a statement offering his condolences to the family, also revealing that staff and residents are struggling with isolation measures. He says, quote, "We know that the residents and their families are struggling with the isolation measures in place and they are missing each other terribly, but these containment measures are now more important than ever." The death toll from the Ruby Princess cruise ship has also risen to 12 after an 84-year-old West Australian man died in a Perth hospital. Now, yesterday we know that the cruise ship docked in Port Kembla, south of Sydney. There are more than 1,000 crews still on board and at least 200 are showing flu-like symptoms. Now, I was there yesterday, spoke to a number of locals, and they're angry and concerned that in the event of a medical emergency, local hospitals there could buckle under pressure. And that's really worrying them and a number of unions as well. So Border Force and health officers will be boarding that ship to conduct medical assessments. Now, the current New South Wales RFS Commissioner Shane Fitzsimmons spoke a short time ago to Sky News about what New South Wales could look like in that recovery process post-COVID-19, as he prepares to take up his new role as Resilience New South Wales Commissioner.
We're very mindful we've got this body of work where as we start lifting restrictions, not in the same scale that we ratcheted down the restrictions, but what are the little things we can do to start relieving the pressure to make sure we don't allow this virus to spread exponentially and exceed our medical and health capabilities.
The New South Wales Premier is due to speak in just under an hour's time, Laura, where she's set to announce a Hotels for Heroes initiative whereby frontline workers will be looked after in our hotels to protect the health and safety of their own family members.